So we're about to get on one of those? Yeah, we're gonna try the bird right now. All right, Nyla, you know how to ride a scooter, right? First, kick your feet and roll first. Let me see you do that. There you go. That's what your brake's for. You gonna keep up?
Yo, I'm gonna be a number 10.
How do I? Oh, I can steer.
So we just
Excuse me.
Ouch!
Watch out, Nyla. Go to the right.
blow my mind every time.
Frenchie. Dogs is acting up. Barack. Hey, this ain't the time for that. Hey. Who is this outside of my window? Who is that? Who is that little boy?
Leave that,
I don't know. Who is that outside of my window?
close the blinds, but leave that open.
You get, little boy. You get, little boy. Out of here. Flee. Huh?
The beanie he had yesterday sprinkled.
Yeah. Come on, they're going with us.
No, but I remember having both of them in my ear.
Bro, it's so heavy. I had to pull him in there.
You got his leash?
Go nowhere.
Tanala,
What?
come here.
Hello.
His leash. They ain't gonna buy him a bigger one. That's why I asked y'all. Slow it down, boy. Yeah, they coming with us. All right. Yeah, wait. No.
Oh, Daddy, can I get it?
Wait. Come on, baby.
Hi.
Or
Yeah, I pressed it. So, Daddy.
we putting the mutts in.
Yeah. Frenchie is sitting there.
Right, come on.
The bro-
Get it.
Wow, this is a tall truck anyways. Look at him. Look at him.
That's my big boy.
Look at Frenchie. He's doing that. Dylan. Javon. There go Javon. There go Becky.
Come here, turn
Bro,
around.
you got some hot breath. What's going on outside? Nothing. About to rain. About to rain. So I'm in the front seat right now. Dog's in the back. Javon in the back. Oops. Actually, I didn't go. I can't see himself. Daddy is fixing the thing. I love this
Stack
truck.
of floor paper for y'all little feet.
Touch it. What? Touch it.
Y'all ready to go?
Touch it. What? Touch it. Touch it. What? Touch it. What? I don't know what he's saying. He's saying Frenchie and Barack. What?
Call them.
Touch it. What? Touch it. You're on the ball, by the way. Huh?
To the monk tonks. Anyways, welcome to G1 Vision, another vision of G1. How y'all doing today, man? Today is another vlog. I don't like how my exposure is so bright right now. I need to fix that. Okay, now we got it right. But hopefully y'all having a great day, man. It's another great vlog. We're going to take the dogs to the park with the kids and the family. But we're gonna take the family out, take the dogs out to the park. One of our parks out on the other side of town and just eating, you know, let them have fun. Hopefully a little more, man. But if you're new to this channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe and turn on all post notifications so you can stay lit with us, man. But you already know. You know the slang, if you got a vision, you part of the game. Y'all ready?
Yeah.
What? That's the AirPod loser. I guess she upset. She ever find it?
It says it's a minute away.
Well, as long as you know it's in the house, baby, we
Oh,
good.
it's saying it's a minute away. It's telling her where to
Well,
go.
what he done do? He done walk down the street and throw it out?
Hi, no. Say hi, Mommy.
Alright.
Here.
You can see. Well, you kill a whole bunch of footage. As you can see, man, we in Franklin. We in Franklin, so man, you know, we riding high. I guess some gas. You gonna go in there for me, babe?
Dad, don't tell me you recorded. Yup.
Alright.
Let's go. Dad, you coming?
No, Mama going in. Down that benchy.
Dad.
What? Look at that cookie eater. Look at that cookie
He ate
eater.
already 4 cookies. That's his last.
Huh?
You want something to drink?
Oh yeah, bring me a fountain drink of the lemonade and I can fill my what's the name up
Okay.
with ice. But as y'all can see, man, we in Franklin today. And we got the family out here. So as you know, we finna have a good time, man. We got the dogs and everything. Don't let the dogs out. So we got the dogs and everything. So you know, it's just a great day. It's Saturday, man. January 20 something. I want to say 23rd, but it's Saturday. But we out in Franklin. You know how it go, man. How we get there, you know the vibe. Man, I'm like super loving these wheels. Like, I feel like I really couldn't pick no better unless I really would have spent more money on some actual, you know, some 4Gs or something. But as in right now, man, the rims is on fire. They killing. They is killing. So we in Franklin right now. He's looking good. One thing I noticed though, I forgot about, is this. I just cleaned this. And the thing about it, it's a cloudy, gloomy day. It's supposed to be raining. And I got mud all up the side of my truck. Mud and water. And the reason why that is happening is because of these dang tires. See how far they stick out? So whatever they run over, they throwing it up the side of the car. So that's gonna have to be a big issue. Probably gonna have to stop driving this car on rainy days if I really care about washing it. So that's another big thing. But other than that, we got the AirPod loser right here. She mad because she lost her AirPod. And her brother done lost it, she say. But she probably the one lost it. What you doing, boy? What you doing, my boy? What you doing, my boy? That's your puppy? That's your puppy, son? Yeah? Who whopping your puppy? Say, what you doing, boy? Get your hands. Look how dirty they is. They real dirty, because you been eating cookies and cookies. That's a little cookie monster. But other than that, man, we can just get up out here. Go ahead and put some gas in this old gas guzzler. Man, this thing, boy, can burn. Well, it don't really burn too much gas. I really ain't tripping about the gas. I can't complain. I hate when people complain about gas and something. And when they knew what they was burning was a gas guzzler. Like, come on, man, you can't do that. But I'm not complaining. I'm satisfied. I'm willing to fill this big beast up, man. I'm willing. Made it to the park, and And you know these kids make it hell just to make it to one location to another.
Look at that.
Unbuckle your brother. Hold on, man.
The other dog.
Dogs is just as worse. But yeah, we done got here. It's a very nice park, man. It's called Tempe Town Lake. Very famous lake in Tempe, Arizona. But it's time to unload these bags. Hold on, your brother. You know he got an attitude. Let him out. Just bring your mask just in case.
He's helping. He's just looking at it.
You need to put some stuff on it.
Lotion.
Son, we gotta tie your shoes. Hold on.
Can I watch Mark Frenchie?
Yeah. You ready to have fun, son?
Come on.
So wow, he's stepping on your jacket.
Come on. Let's go. Where's Frenchie at? Mom, did you put Frenchie?
And my big boy. Did daddy fix you? Come here, boy. Let me fix your leash.
Come on.
And we finally up and going. Come on, boy. Up. These dogs is acting up. Barat. This ain't the time for that. You got a whole park. Come on. Look at him. He done dust up his shoes. You done dust up your shoes, son. Right, slow it down, boy. All that water, that's a, see the gate blocking the water? Right, slow it down. I don't need you pulling. See the gate blocking the water, the wall of it? Look, son. Look. Y'all see it? That's what's stopping all this water. That's stopping all this water from going over here. I see.
Bird.
So we're about to
get on one of those?
Yeah, we're gonna try the bird right now.
What about Frenchie?
Your mama gonna hold him. Come on, boy, stop. You remember how to do it?
Yeah, you gotta scan it.
It'll tell you how charged it is too. Son.
Ooh, almost fell. Don't you just scan it like this?
What it say? Let me see. Hold on, what that say at the bottom? Do it say something? PayPal. Daddy had to add his card to it. Alright. Here, I'll put your phone in your purse and your backpack.
You gonna ride it?
You don't want to ride it?
I do.
Go ahead, get going. He eat my burger?
He's eating Mama's burger.
You got my burger out of there, right? All right. Well, you want to let him eat it for a minute? Come on, we can sit right here and eat it for a minute. Tasha, go ahead and ride the scooter. Go ahead. You remember how to ride it? Son, sit down. Till we get over there.
Wait, don't we gotta press this?
Yeah, you got to go a little bit first. You got to pedal. Go ahead. Give it some gas. There you go.
When am I going to be old enough to ride that?
Daddy gonna show you how to ride it. You see your sister? You ain't let us get to the grass.
I want to try.
Feels weird. Careful. You wanna learn how to ride it? You ready for that?
Yeah. When I was 6, Dad would let me ride it.
We gonna learn today.
Yeah, I'm 8 now.
You a big girl.
You're so slow.
So you won't believe it, we just found a bird, another one on, I don't know what this one is called, a spin. The headlight is on, so we can go ahead and test it out. Let's see how this, if this thing is still going, it might be a free ride. Hold on.
Free ride.
Hold on, baby, they gotta test it out. Right, chill out. All right, we finna test this out and see if this works. And it actually do. Look at that, baby. Daddy got a free ride. And they got 1 battery life. Come here, son. Just found a free bird right now. Frenchie, hush it. How you like that? I got me a free bird.
How?
A free bird. Here, let Daddy park it so you can ride without one. We gotta show your sister how to ride. Frenchie, you pee on my cup, boy, you gonna get a whooping. All right, Nyla. You know how to ride a scooter, right? First, kick your feet and roll first. Let me see you do that. There you go. Now let me show you, see how you put your feet up. Frenchie. Hey, cut it out. Hey, hey, hey. Cut it out. Now look, you gotta push yourself. Push yourself, put your feet up. There you go. Now come here, come this way. Now when you do it, now press the gas a little bit.
A little bit.
See this right here? You got to tap that like that. Okay, put your thumb right there.
Like that?
Yeah.
I'm scared.
So go, watch. Go. Just tap it. Tap it. Tap it. Tap it. Don't hold it, just tap it. There you go. That's my big girl. Now do it again. There you go. That's what your brakes for.
Huh?
That's what your brakes is for.
I know.
See?
This is good.
So don't hold it, just tap it.
Just like that. Like
Yeah,
that.
cause you hold it, it's gonna go real fast. What? Just leave that. That's dirty, babe.
I can't. There's no kickstand.
Drop it. It's a thing. They found that underwater. So you ready? Think you can go with us now?
Yeah.
All right.
So right now we're riding the bird scooter thingies.
You gonna ride with Daddy? Bye.
What is it?
Because they used to have them.
Oh, one of these?
Yeah.
Yeah. Good to show.
Crunchy.
Look at him, he's all happy. Bye, baby.
All right, go ahead.
This is fun.
Say, I'm ready to buzz him, Daddy.
Oh yeah, I do.
Come on. Come on, boy. Come on. You want some water, boy? You want some water? Look at it. Drink some water, boy. Come on. Drink some water. Drink some water. You riding, baby?
Daddy, watch it. That's the way.
See. Look, there go Papa and Brielle. Poop boy. That's the poop boy. Is Papa pedaling?
Oh, he can get in there.
Look like y'all having a hard time. You done left your scooter banded over there. Daddy Money running over there.
Oh, he's going to train going by the house.
Look at the train. You can do it.
You ain't going to ride with him?
Why? You want to get on there and pedal? Here, let me see Frenchie. Give me Frenchie,
Out of
bud.
shape.
You want to try it?
I guess. Oh!
Look at the train. Oh, they done took off. It didn't even say nothing. big dog, man. Jesus, can't bust a grape out here. Yo.
They slow.
Who they at? Look at Nyla.
Dad, they slid down a dirt hill and they all went fast.
Look at my baby.
What did I do?
You got the hang of it. Silly.
I was at number 10 anyways.
Number 10.
Yeah.
I was at
They all the way back there.
Look how slow they is.
I know.
They tired too.
They're over there driving on one hand.
Y'all didn't go across the bridge?
to, and I didn't
we thought we were not supposed to.
You was on the other side. Why y'all tired of pedaling?
You got the strongest legs out here.
Huh? Let me try. All right, here, bro.
Here, you steer.
I'll steer.
Coming on the
August.
We're gonna
What you
go
doing,
across
man?
the bridge with your dad.
You riding? You was supposed to pedal.
I'm not getting on there. I'm not getting on there.
August, I can't see
I'll
that.
put control
When you pull that thing, that's the
Y'all
brake.
say cheese.
That's the brakes.
Babe.
We ain't got reverse.
Talia.
You gonna keep up?
Yo, I'm gonna be at number 10.
We gonna go down that way.
We're going down the bridge, right?
No, we gonna go down that way.
Okay.
How do I? Oh, I can steer.
Yeah.
So we just
both of y'all have to
We about to run you over.
we
They ain't got no easy gear.
No, this is just the bird. That's all they have.
Hurry up, Dad. Oh, yo, gee.
Excuse me.
We're gonna go on that bridge.
Ducks.
Y'all went through the dirt.
Yeah, because of Talia. She stirred us into the
It was
dirt.
fun.
It was a dirt
I feel like I
hill.
need more space. This seat don't scoot back.
No,
My knee is hitting this thing right here.
you're too tall.
Huh?
You're too tall.
We
This is the
bobbing.
biggest one we got. This is the biggest one.
It gets no bigger than this one.
Yeah, this is the only
They ain't got no
biggest.
gears. Like seriously? It'll make it a lot better. You won't be so tired.
We should buy one of these and then add some gears.
And put a motor on it.
Yeah. That could be ghetto. Then they make them with these wheels.
Huh?
Put the wheels and the gear on.
You mobbing, son?
Room, make it be ghetto.
What? Woo!
Got that dog. They got that dog, that lost dog thing all the way on the south side.
Oh, somebody lost their dog?
Oh, see, it's another one. And another one.
Another what?
Oh, these bikes, they got the small. This is the biggest one. They
Yeah?
cost $43. I used to think when
Because then you know Taz.
Y'all legs gonna be harder tonight.
We coming in hot. Ooh, hold on.
that kid fell off the scooter.
That's an island. I'm not going too fast.
Huh? What?
Look. Look in that pool.
I see it. The big duck boat.
Wait, can we turn around so we can go on the bridge?
We're going
On the bridge.
Yeah. Not this one, the other one.
The bridge over there
I'm
got
gonna
a
leave
lot
that
of
up to
hills.
y'all. Woo. Look at my baby. She ride. Took her no time to learn how to ride the scooter. What?
Tyler.
She gonna get hit. Just watch.
Shit, I was gonna get hit.
Baby ain't gonna get hit. Y'all riding, man?
She look just at.
Wait.
She didn't
Oh,
hear
look over
it.
there. What's over there? Oh,
Y'all want to pedal uphill? Uh-huh. Come on. Across that bridge.
please, because we can't go by ourselves, he said.
Tamara, cross up right here.
I don't know, she might go get
You can let Tashell ride on here with y'all, and I'll ride the scooter behind y'all.
Okay.
'Cause I'm not pedaling across no bridge.
Can you get us a scooter?
Huh?
We only,
They only let you do with one scooter per
share.
car.
we can share the 2 scooters to you.
The bell don't work?
Oh, no. There's the hill. Come on to the channel.
Let's go. This thing needs to be electric. It'd be a lot better if it was electric.
How about we get one of them and we just make it electric, like put a gear.
Have Bubba put a motor on it. I ain't ever seen Bubba. Bubba will modify a motor on this.
We tired.
Tasha, get on. There's that Mr. Bridget. He's gonna follow us behind the scooter.
Can I drive? Can I drive?
Yes. Here. Sit right here.
Oh,
You ready?
let's wait on them.
Number 10 driving all the way over here.
You would.
I'm getting the hang of it.
We just gave them a head start. And we catching up. We mobbing. Woo! We mobbing. Woo! Look at my baby. Come on. Let's catch him. They going pretty fast.
My legs.
Yeah, y'all tired, huh? Y'all tired. They want to cross this bridge and they can't even make it up this hill. They can't make it, baby. Woo! Come on, baby.
I'm coming.
Let's go.
I'm at number 9 right now. Or number 7.
Number 9, how? You in the second place.
Slow, Daddy. I need to go slow because we're going on the street.
That's the bridge. Look at the slow pokes. The slow pokes. Oh, turtles.
Dad, I can't get it.
After.
Turtles.
Where are we?
Tempe.
Tippy Town Lake.
We at Tippy Town Lake.
What, you tired now?
Wait. You
Uh-huh. Look at them. I don't think they must think they got 4-wheel drive. Turn.
Yeah, she said I'm steering. This
That's a
wheel.
dummy steering wheel.
Huh?
It's a dummy steering wheel.
That's told you. I thought you said I'd make
You wouldn't even record.
Let me see it.
Hold on. Come on.
I am. What are you?
Get this pop lock on. Son.
There's a lot of. Remember me?
Doing, man?
Mom went on that. And we were pedaling.
Frenchie the big dog.
That wasn't that bad.
It's the electric motor. The trolling motor got the electric trolling motor, which is running from one.
Yeah, I was just telling her that about the electric
That's a lot.
boat.
And then we put a barbecue pit.
Yes, man. So we out here, we having a great time. The kids is out here playing on scooters and whatever that 4-wheel thing is called. But it's beautiful out here. Real beautiful. Tippy Town Lake. Look at them. She ain't even on there. Grill on the scooter.
No.
Son, you steering like that? That's how you steering?
We had to push, and I kept trying to hop on, and I couldn't.
Well, y'all went too far.
Yeah, we tried to turn around. This fatty
Get me out.
You want to get out? For what? Where you going?
Yeah.
Come on, we'll let y'all out. Go ahead. Now, how you gonna get out? You gonna find your way out? Look, he said, let's get on this thing and go, Daggy. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead, get on. Now, how y'all gonna pedal? Vroom, vroom. Go ahead. Steer it, son. Let's see if y'all can steer. Be careful, boy.
1 hour later.
Come on, baby. Right, come on, boy. Come on. All these dogs around here ain't doing nothing of that. They just walking. Y'all the only one got to smell everything. The beautiful bridge, Tippy Town Lake Bridge. Oh, whew, it's a little chilly. Definitely a little chilly. Yeah, so we had fun today. Had a whole lot of fun. Y'all have fun?
Yeah.
You have fun?
Yeah.
Oh, now you smiling. Son, you marching? Huh? Frenchie the big dog. Can't bust a grape. I could have, like I said, I told you, I could have drove the truck over there. But right, slow it down. Slow it down. Tippy Town Lake. My camera going dead.
I can't wait till it gets warmer.
Yeah. So right now we trying to make it back to the car. And look at that beauty right there. Look at that beauty right there. Woo, it's raining. It's cold. Tashelle, where you at? Hurry and go get in. You put Javon in?
Yeah.
Right.
Javon said it's raining.
Right. Come on, boy. There you go. Whew. Man, it's about that time, man. We about to close this vlog. Man, you know, I want to thank everybody, anybody that's watching it, that's still tuned in to right now. But I feel like this is gonna be the end of it. Boy, get out my seat. But other than that, move, boy. We closing this vlog out. Turned out to be a rainy day. But other than that, man, you know the slang. If you got a vision, you part of the game. Woo, time to turn this heater on.
Up.
But that's the end of G1 Visions for today. Today's content, what?
I want to say, bye-bye.
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 Silly self. But yeah, we about to get on this road. Get back over here. Get warm. And we closing this vlog. Other than that,